Good morning, guys. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yay! I know I'm silly. Anyway, I'm up watching my big screen. Look at that. Hey, big screen TV. Who is this, y'all? Look how little my old TV was. That thing was little. Look at that TV. And look at that one. I mean, what was I doing? Okay, what was I doing? So it's currently like 8:36. Your girl finna get up, take a shower, brush teeth, wash her face. I think I'm gonna treat myself to breakfast this morning. We're gonna take ourselves out for breakfast this morning. I didn't make any plans for my birthday with anybody, and nobody requested any plans with me. So let's go to breakfast. I'm just gonna get up, find me something cute to put on. I don't even know what I'm gonna put on, but I'm gonna put something on. And I'm just gonna take myself out for breakfast this morning. Alright, you guys, this is my outfit. So I just got my hair in a bun. Haven't worn it in a bun since I had the braids. They're pretty, cause they're pretty heavy. I usually do mediums, but she say these medium, but they small. So, but I don't feel like being bothered today. So I have on my twisted top from my shop, my hexagon necklace from my shop, my hoops from my shop. Pants are for Abercrombie and Finch, and my boots are from Jelly Pop. And then I did throw on a little makeup. I just got on my norms makeup. Probably not gonna put on any lipstick. I don't feel like being bothered. And I'm just gonna go get me some breakfast. The kids did wake up and they was like, we wanted to cook you breakfast. I'm like, I'm out, boo. I'm out. Y'all late. Y'all should have been up before I got up, okay? How's it going? How's it out of here? It's 9:12. So I'm about to do that. Just give me some me time for a minute. I'll be back to be harassed by them a little later. They did, Jalen did say, happy birthday. Mari actually gave me a hug. I know that's a big to-do right there. Giving your mama a hug. Now if only if he do it in public. Alright, you guys, so I am headed to breakfast. As you saw, the kids wanted to cook me breakfast this morning, but I was already up, so I'm not gonna feel bad because I want to go out for breakfast. I'm not gonna feel bad at all that they wanted to cook me breakfast. I appreciate the gesture. They told me happy birthday. They gave me hugs. It is what it is, but I want to go out for breakfast this morning. That's why I got up and I got ready. So we're going out for breakfast. I'm not gonna change my plans. I love the kids to death, but it's my day, so therefore I should be able to do what I would like to do. Right? Okay. Anywho, so solo birthday lunch, solo birthday breakfast. I mean, I go, well, you know, I haven't been to places solo in a long time. Like, I've been going solo camping, but I used to go to movies by myself. I used to go out to eat by myself. I used to do a lot of shit by myself, but I just be having so much going on that I haven't really been going out, and the pandemic and all of the other stuff. And I need to start back being comfortable in solitude, being comfortable doing shit without waiting for other people. That makes sense. And it's not that I'll be waiting on other people, because y'all know I give two fucks, but sometimes I do hesitate and be like, I wish I had somebody to go with. I wish I had somebody to do this with me, this, that, and other. And I gotta get back in the mindset that I gotta do shit by myself. I was born in this world by myself. I'm gonna leave by my damn self. So therefore, I should be able to do lots of shit by myself. Right. So we finna start doing shit by ourselves, y'all. We finna start taking care of ourselves. So I'm gonna need to get my whole life together real quickly. Thinking about my 2022 goals, business, personal, health, home, job, all of that stuff is included. And I just need to get it together. I need to stop being lazy. I need to stop just being comfortable. I'm too comfortable. That is it. I need to start getting back uncomfortable. I need to start putting myself in uncomfortable positions. I basically have gotten so comfortable, and I'm on this little plateau, and I need to raise the bar, bitch. Raise the bar, okay? Kelsey, you don't achieve most of your goals. You need to raise the bar. You over here slipping. You over here getting content. That's not what we trying to do, okay? That's not what we're trying to do. So I feel myself sliding into that contentment. Yeah, we need not do that this morning. or the rest of this year or next year, okay? So, however it was uncomfortable for me to tell them that I was going out for breakfast this morning, I didn't want to stay for them to cook me breakfast. It's okay. They will be all right. I will be all right. Everybody gets breakfast this morning. I just have somebody else making mine. That's not them. So yeah. But anyway, so today 3 vlogs probably will go out. I'll probably do my camping vlog, and then I'll do the vlog from yesterday, and then this will be my birthday vlog, and then it'll probably be 3 vlogs, and then that should be 31 videos. I think we need 29, 30, and 31, and we should be done. So I think that's what I'm gonna do today when I get back from eating. I shouldn't be out that long. I did so much shopping yesterday, but of course everybody sent me birthday coupons today for my birthday. But I don't need to spend no more money. I spent too much money yesterday. Too much money. Too much. You hear me? A lot. But I'm so excited of everything that I've got. Like the Christmas decorations, you guys, are going to be on point this year. I have spent some money on these Christmas decorations. I hope it turns out how I envision it in my mind. You guys know I have a vision, and I just be praying my stuff come out. And most time it do, but you know, sometimes I be questioning my vision, okay? So we hope my vision for Christmas comes to life. Not really worried about Thanksgiving. I get too close. Christmas, I need to come to life. I still got to get a couple of more things. I couldn't find like the burlap that I wanted. I found the most beautiful wrapping paper, and you guys will see my haul like in December, so this will be part of my vlogmas videos. So this video will be, I think this video will be the last video. I probably won't upload any videos in November. I have to get ready for Vlogmas. I have to get my mind right.
In 1 mile, exit right.
I have to get my mind right and all that other kind of stuff, you know, and get in that mindset of videos every day, planning out content, just doing a lot of stuff. And I need to do a lot of planning in the month of November. So therefore, it probably will not be any videos in November. I don't know. I might try to roll up in there some weekend vlogs. It just depends. I don't know for sure. We gonna have to see. I'm not gonna promise. I'm really not. I'm not gonna promise. I'm not gonna do it. So I will see you guys at breakfast. Breakfast. Alright, you guys, I'm back at home and I'm about to edit this vlog. All I do is fucking edit. I know I ain't finna put no videos up in November. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I think we're on video number 28. Alright? Yeah. So we need 29, 30, and 31. We're gonna get these 31 videos. We're gonna do it, y'all. We're gonna do it. I'm so sleepy though. But I know I gotta get it done. So I'm gonna push through it and then maybe go take me a nap afterwards. But I might just enjoy my big TV. I need to bring my little TV in here. So I don't need to look at TV while I'm editing anyway. Alright guys. Let's get to editing. Check in a minute. Or a couple hours, one of the two. Guys, I've been working on my birthday. Y'all better be lucky I love y'all, okay? I've been working on my birthday. It is freaking 4 o'clock. I'm still in this damn office. I'm still in here. Still recording. I just finished editing vlog number 2 for the day because it's going to be 3 vlogs today. So by the time you see this vlog, it'll be later on in the night. I think this vlog here is going to go out at 7, and then this vlog may go out at 10. I don't know if this one goes at 4. Yeah, the other one's going to go out at 6, at 7, and then maybe 9. Maybe not too late. Anyway, it's sometime tonight. Y'all going to see all of these or tomorrow, whatever. It was 31 videos. Just know that. Just know I did my 31 videos. Y'all can't say nothing. So yeah. So yeah, I just been editing all day because I don't want to I just don't want to have to come back and do all this stuff. And like I said, I'm not going to be I think I've already decided I probably won't be, alright, I keep trying to get these pictures. I'm talking to y'all. I'm not gonna be uploading nothing in November. I don't think so. Don't be looking for nothing, y'all. I may be on my Instagram, but I know I'm not gonna be editing that damn video. So don't be looking for no video to be edited. Don't be looking for no video in November. Look for me on my Instagram, either my personal Instagram or my business Instagram. One or the other. What in the world? That is not what I told that thing to do. Please don't mess up my damn video, Jesus. That was not supposed to be in there. Ooh, I hope it don't mess up. I ain't never did that before. Y'all don't let me mess up my video. I'm gonna have to look at it to the end. I made a mistake. I was doing a screenshot and it like put a video at the end of the video that I'm exporting. I don't know if it's gonna mess the video up, so hopefully it doesn't. And I can get my sheets. So vlogmas number 30, Vlogtober day 30. Oh, do that. So I'll probably, what time is it? I'll probably stop recording in this episode, this 31, my birthday episode, probably about 7. So that way I can edit it and then have it out by 9 or 10. That's what I'll do. But to tell you the truth, I probably won't finna be doing nothing. I'm finna go over here and get in this bed and be looking at that TV. What I'm finna do. What I'm finna do, watch something on the big screen. I see what y'all say sometimes. Y'all be like, how you have so much energy, y'all? At first I was like, I ain't got no more energy than nobody. But after doing this shit, I'm like, well, maybe I do, y'all. Maybe I do. Maybe I just didn't know I had any. Because I can't tell y'all where I get all this energy from. I can't tell you. You hear me? I don't even know. If my plan for 2022 is anything like I want it to be, my energy about to be even more on 10 than this. October 31st, 2021, vlog number 2. Alright, got that one. Oh, Jesus, y'all. I'm just over here. I am tired, okay? I am tired. So we're gonna wait for that to export. I'm trying to wait till it gets finished so I can go ahead and get it done. Cause I don't wanna have to come back in here until about 7. Like serious, I want to lay down for like the next 3 hours. I've been out all day. Well, no, I got up earlier this morning with my mom. And then I laid in bed for about an hour or 2. I took a bath and everything, got dressed, went to eat. Came home from eating, what, about 12 or 1? And I've been working on editing since then. It's 4 o'clock. And the last time I ate was breakfast, like brunch. I haven't eaten anything since then. Like nothing. Like nothing. My baby just called and sang me happy birthday. My little babies that I babysit for, they called and sang me happy birthday. They had their little costumes on. They was about to get ready to go trick-or-treating. So my niece is a mermaid and my nephew, y'all, is Deadpool. He had the swords and everything, baby. I am weak. I am weak. I was like, let my baby be great. Let my baby be great. You hear me? Let him do what he would like. Thank you very much. So, yeah. But that's what I'm going to do. And I think I showed this to y'all in another vlog, but it's not coming up. I ordered these cute little pumpkins from House of Stradivant. There was $12 a piece. I did get 4 because they're super cute. This is the name of the shop. Hopefully it comes out right side up when it goes out to you guys. And she hand painted these. She said it was a cream color, but they're more of a taupe color. You know, my shirt is green, but this is more of a taupe. But it still goes perfect within my room. So I'm super, super excited to use these for the rest of the fall up until after Thanksgiving. So like I said, I did get 4. So I know I definitely won't want to go in my room. Maybe on the tablescape in the den when I get it done. So tomorrow's November the 1st. Thanksgiving is on the 25th. So I literally have until like the 21st to have my house in as much order as possible without like having to buy furniture or do anything else. So that's what I'm going to be working on. So I definitely need to make myself a plan for November. And that'll be good because I won't be trying to edit videos or upload videos or do any of that in November. I will still be planning for Vlogmas, that's for sure, but I won't be doing like any of that kind of stuff. And so I can actually get a lot of things done in the month of November. So I'm gonna start doing my what do you call it, back to my my time blocking, because I gotta get my life. I have to get my whole life, okay? So we about to get on it. We about to be productive as fuck in November, okay? I'm not gonna give myself any excuses to be a lazy bitch, okay? None. Y'all agree? I agree. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, you guys, put on my night clothes. I still need to do my face. But I just come to close out the vlog. This is gonna go up late tonight, either like 10 or 11. I don't know how long it's gonna be, so it'll be up tonight before midnight. So I officially did 31 videos in October, even though 3 of them went out today. Whatever. So just so you guys know, remember, contest ends tonight. So you need to then comment on every single you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel and my Instagram, and comment on every video that I posted this month on YouTube to win the YouTube money. For my Instagram, you need to have liked and comment on every single Instagram picture I posted in October, which wasn't even 31, so you guys came out lucky this year. I didn't even keep up with that. And then the third thing is to like and comment on every post that I posted on my AamariRose account, which was not a post every single day, to win the gift card. So those are the rules. I hope you guys enjoyed my Vlogtober. I know it was kind of all over the place, not as, I don't know if it was good as it was last year, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. And I will see you guys in the month of December for Vlogtober. But I will next Sunday, so a week from today, I will announce the winners on the platform. So on my Instagram, on my personal Instagram, or my Busy Doing Me Instagram, I will announce the YouTube winner and the Instagram winner, and then on my AamariRose, I will announce the winner to my AamariRose gift card. So be looking out for that next Sunday. Like I said, I will not be back on YouTube until December. I just can't. I need a whole month. I need to get my life. But I will try to be on Instagram, and you can look for me over there. So I will see you guys in December. Bye.